Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove page break. Open your Word document to see the current pages. When doing so, in the Start menu, click Show Hide. You can see the page break legend so you can identify where it was created. Now you are only going to select the page break line. Press the Delete key on your keyboard, and the page break will have been removed. You can click Show Hide again to see the clean document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.